Today's video is going to be about keeping your chicken's area clean. This should be a fun one. So one of the best ways to keep your chickens area clean is to move them a lot. I have a chickshaw that I move them in nearly every day. There's an exception, and that is right now. These past few weeks I've just been moving across my garden, so every few days I'll move them once they clear an area of grass and weeds, and then I've been planting a cover crop behind them. But that's one area of keeping their area clean, and you don't have to spend any money on bedding, as if you use a mobile chicken coop of some kind, or a chickshaw, or a chicken tractor, whatever you want to call it. Henrietta's in there showing off the water and the platform I built for that. If you want to check out the video where me and my brother built this chickshaw, go click up in the iCard up in the right hand corner there. But Henrietta is showing off the water setup we got going. See, there's some eggs I need to collect. So maybe you just saw me cleaning out. The chick brooder there. Hopefully the last time I'll have to clean it out. Pretty soon I'm gonna wean them from the heat lamp. Maybe have them in there for another week. Then we'll bring them outside. And this is their bedding. I just got out of there. I'm gonna dump it on the compost pile. Okay, so very, very soon we are gonna be moving the older chickens, the 5 older chickens, to this chicken tractor. I know I have to get my gardening junk cleaned out of it. I have to move it, and then we'll start moving the chickens around the yard. This one will let the little chicks have the chickshaw when they come outside. So Again, I'm going to be excited not to have to clean up brooder anymore. It is a tough process. If you're going to have a solid chicken coop though, I would suggest doing deep bedding, or at least doing deep bedding in the winter. I had this covered in greenhouse plastic last winter. Maybe I'll give you guys a flashback of that. But anyway, I had this covered in greenhouse plastic, and I housed the chickens in here on deep bedding the whole winter. If you get a little too high, you can just pull some out. But basically the point is you just keep adding fresh bedding so your chickens can keep scratching through it. They can do the composting for you. And then check out this garden, you guys. That's grown using their chicken coop bedding from over the winter. So it's a super cool system. I highly suggest using deep bedding for your chickens. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and check out one of the previous videos. See you right back here in the next one at Al's Homestead. See you guys.